Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a beautiful online store for a single product or a single brand of products using WooCommerce, Astra and Astra sites. These all are free plugins. There is no subscription required. You just have to buy a domain and hosting and start watching this video and you will build a beautiful website like this. So first of all, let's log into your dashboard. Currently I have no theme, no plugins, no data, no posts, no pages. So first of all, we will go to appearance, themes, and add a new theme. Type Astra and press enter. Install Astra theme and activate the theme. After activation, go to plugins, click on add plugin, search for Astra sites and press enter. Install Astra site plugin by Brainstorm Force. Click on activate. Okay, after activating the Astra site plugin, you have to go to appearance and click on starter templates. Here we will choose classic starter templates. Build with template. Choose Elementor. You can choose block editor as well, but I prefer Elementor. Now search for shop, and the best theme which is free I ever found on this list is the bicycle. So let it load. You can choose whichever you want, but I personally like that design. You can also use this if you are building a clothing, you are building a child, you are building accessories. This is also a beautiful theme, but this is premium. We are looking for a free one. Shop is not there. Let's choose bicycle. Yes, this one. So let's choose this. First you can choose your color combination. You can upload your logo directly from here like this. So choose the best color combination according to your logo or your branding. Okay, let's choose this. You can also change the font here. These are the fonts. And you can see the change directly here. I personally like fonts, narrow fonts like these or these. Okay, this is the best. Now choose the plugins which you want to add or remove. These three plugins are necessary, that is why they are not uncheckable. You can add free live chat as well. Type in your name, your email address. And wait for it. It will take hardly a couple of minutes and your website will be ready. Then I'll show you how you can modify the homepage contents or where you can add the products. There will be some dummy products imported just for demo contents so that you can replace them with your own. Also, there's a featured section in the home page which are the products that are chosen featured on the product listing page. They cannot be set individually, but if you go to all products in the backend, you can just click on the star to feature those products. Okay, we are in the final stage. After media upload, the website content will be loaded and it will be ready to check. And we are finalizing the website. Once this step is done, your website is ready to edit and it will be in coming soon mode. Just view your website. It will be in coming soon mode and you can change the mode after you have done your own changes. So you can see store coming soon, and these contents can be changed directly from Elementor editor. Now let's check the page. This is the menu, logo, the hero section, the new arrival section, which I mentioned. The featured products are here. These are some sections where you can change the backgrounds and the product images. These are the images and text. These are category products from category, which is called accessories. So this is a custom category. Here is a video. You can add a video here in the background, and finally the footer and the footer logo. So if you want to change the contents, just hover on this. Whenever you are logged into your admin dashboard, WP admin, then this menu will be appeared. This will be not appeared if a new user come. So let me copy the link address and open in incognito mode. Here you will see that there is no dashboard menu and the website is neat and clean. So let's go to the dashboard again. Here click on edit with Elementor, or you can open this in a new tab so that you have the front end and back end at the same time. The editor will load approximately 1 minute if you are opening it for the first time. Okay, so this is the navigation and these are the elements. You can close the navigation if you do not need, but in future if you need this, you can open this from here. This is the structure or navigation. Okay, now let's change the contents of the home page. For example, you are changing the bicycle in the background, so click on these 6 dots and here click on style, and here's the image. Just click on that. If you come to media library, you have all these images available here, but if you want to change it, you have a custom picture on your desktop. Just go to your desktop and open it. I only have this vacuum cleaner image which I am showing you right now. It's just for the purpose of learning. I will change it again by pressing Ctrl Z on my keyboard. And the changes I have done will revert back. Okay, now if you want to change any of these text, just click on that, and here the editor will show you the text which you can change. You can change anything like this. Now click on this text and here is the change. click on this. Here you can change it. These are in others, these are the list icons. So if you click this, you will have a list like this. If you expand this one, this is the title which you can change like this, and this is the icon. If you click this, you will have a whole library from where you can choose the icon of your choice, and here it will be placed. And if you click here, this is the second one. See, here is the change. This is the second one, and this is the icon for the second element. And finally the third one. So here is the element where you can change the text, and here is the icon. Okay, the buy now button have text here. Text is buy now, choose category or anything, any text you want to add here. And the link for this button is here. So for example, if we go https google.com, then when you click this, it will redirect the users to google.com. and here are some settings. If you want the link to be open in a new window, then click this. Add no follow or custom attributes like class and pipe sign my own button. So it will apply a class on this button. This means the attribute name and the attribute value. So let's remove this, or let's keep this. Scroll down. Here are the featured products, and by featured products I mean, if you go to dashboard, let's visit dashboard and go to products. Here you can see this star which I was talking about earlier, these stars. So if you go to anything and click on star, so I featured these products. Let's go to website, refresh the page, and let's see if we have different products now. Or you can choose all products. The products you want to add as featured products, go there and make them edit, apply edit, and click on featured. We have a featured, yes, this one, yes, update, and it will feature all these products, the selected ones. Let's refresh, or let's first remove featured from all products, the available products. Featured no, update, and let's see if we still have some products here. Let's click on this element in Elementor editor, and visibility dash feature. Okay, this is wrong. So visibility is equal to feature. Apply this and publish. Now we do not have any products in featured section here. And now come to the dashboard again, and let's make some products featured. Okay, once they are starred or featured, if you refresh the home page, no, still not there. Let's do that using edit method. Oh, one more thing. Go to edit, the Elementor editor. On shortcode, we have a category selected bicycle. So remove that category attribute and apply. Now the products we starred will be appeared here. So that featured attribute should work. Now it's working. So these are the featured products, and these are the products from a specific category. If you scroll down to that section, click here, this is the short code and the category is accessories. So this is a specific category from accessories, and this have no specific category which we removed, and just the featured products. Okay, now let's add the featured products which are supposed to be the bicycles. So this one, and this one. These are 4 bikes, and if we refresh our home page, these are bikes now. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.